Hello everyone, welcome to Clean Copper Talks. So recently there has been a lot of buzz towards sustainability. A lot of talks about sustainability consultant or sustainability reporting and all these things are there. So if you want to know the complete scenario, how a sustainability degree in M.Tech or MBA is different, if you are confused to choose between the two, then this video might be helpful to you to understand the key differences between an MTech and an MBA in sustainability. This video will also be helpful to you to know the reasons why there's so much buzz around sustainability. So without letting you, let's begin. Sustainability, as we know, is a concept wherein resources are utilized to meet the present demand, but at such a rate that it is able to meet the demand even for the future generations, such as if we are too much dependent on a fuel which is from non-renewable resources such as coal derived fuel, so that is not a sustainable technique. But if we are dependent on wind energy or solar energy, then that is a sustainable uh, way to use a resource because it is a renewable resource and it can be utilized by us as well as by the new generations to come anyway. So why sustainability is important? Because recently there has been a lot of policy changes at global, at international level. uh, Things like net zero has been promised. The European Union has promised net zero by 2050, and Indian government has promised net zero by 2070. I have made a dedicated video on net zero by 2070. You can check that in my channel. Anyway, so net zero talks about the zero carbon emission. Likewise, there has been a huge demand from the key or big international renowned industries or companies such as Apple, which has started demanding renewable or sustainable products. Um, there has been a huge demand on sustainability reporting, and the international or global investors, they are also preferring industries or companies which have sustainability reporting. Um, the government of India has also mandated BRSR, which is uh, business responsibility and sustainability reporting, mandatory for all the business units in India. Therefore, because of all these things, sustainability has been in buzz quite now, and there are many industries or many companies, MNCs, which are offering various positions which can be technical or management background in sustainability. And that's why this video we are discussing the key differences between MTech in or MBA in sustainability. So the nature by nature or by default, MBA and MTech are how they are different is MTech is more towards technical, scientific, uh, research oriented engineering principles or like problem solving aspects of a person is developed, while in MBA it is more about managerial things, about interpersonal skills, soft skills, leadership, how you network between the leaders or different parties. That is that is how m- more important in MBA for a person is. And if we see how different the nature of MBA or MTech in sustainability is is quite similar to what the by default difference between MBA or MTech is there. In MBA, you will get the roles such as environmental social governance manager, climate financer, corporate social responsibility manager, green supply chains manager, etc. It basically helps the students to uh, towards the leadership roles in corporate sustainability and consulting. While in MTech, uh, the system is more towards of solving problems, providing technical solutions, maybe waste management, sustainable technologies, renewable energy, or engineering solutions to climate problems. So, MTech is more about a scientific approach and application of engineering aspects, while MBA is more about managerial skills. Now, the role offers when you join MNC or any organization or a government organization as a MBA in sustainability, you will be given postings such as sustainability manager, ESG consultant, CSR head, climate policy analyst, sustainability analyst. Okay. While the same for MTech in sustainability are environmental engineer, sustainability consultant, R&D specialist, climate and modeler, EIA analyst, government or NGO technical expert. EIA stands for Environmental Impact Assessment, and R&D is Research and Development. So basically, in for those which are from who are from technical background, they have to see the scientific approach, how to apply or how to uh, the various techniques, how to enforce them on field. That is more towards the that is more towards MTech in sustainability. Now, before showing you the salary packages, let me show you the conventional fee structure or ROI, let's say return on investment for MTech versus MBA. As you can see here, now MBA in general has been more uh, pricey or more costlier compared to MTech, but uh, the placements or the job offers through MBA also gets into higher packages, but that is limited only if you are from top business schools. Otherwise, the salary ranges or packages will be somewhat average. Um, and if for the MTech, the salary package is comparatively higher, as you can see. Average salary is 10 to 15 lakhs, while in MBA it is 10 to 25 lakhs, but only if you are from top business schools. So initially, you may get higher salary packages in MBA. Salary packages in MTech will be a little lower side, but in MTech it increases exponentially with the year of experiences. As you grow more experience, as you climb the higher level in a hierarchy of an organization, the package increases for a technical person. So, career growth and future prospects for a MBA is a faster path to management roles to the top tier of a organization. You get opportunity to move into policy making space also. See, so policies are basically designed by anyone who are from a scientific background. They know what to enforce on field, but the policy enforcement to be uh, has to be liaised or has to be managed by MBA people. Anyway, ESG leadership or sustainability entrepreneurship you can also think of. For MTech, the career growth is very strong prospect you have in technical domains. You can go for higher studies such as PhD. You can go for PhD outside India also, and in research, the opportunities outside India, especially in developed countries, is exponentially more compared to India. Then there are options in government job also, and global demand for climate technical specialists is anyway increasing these days. So the pros of MBA is it gives a leadership role, brings higher salary and strategic influence you have on the organization. But the cons is pursuing MBA is a costly affair. You will get the fees structure which will be much higher as compared to MTech. Less technical knowledge you will have, and you will rely mostly on the soft skills and networking. So if your soft skills or networking does not work, then chances are that you might not end up in such good roles through MBA. Well, in MTech, the pros is that you get deeper knowledge of the technologies. You get to know how to enforce them on field. It is research focused and core domain expertise is required. But the cons is slow growth rate into leadership. To get into leadership, you the chances for someone who is from technical side is less because leadership or the top positions is mostly about the managerial people. And then low starting salary, but it will eventually rise as you grow higher into the hierarchy of an organization, and you may require PhD for R&D roles. So this is all about the pros and cons of MTech versus MBA, and how sustainability in MTech or MBA is different. But my verdict is to stick if you want to have a career in sustainability, and if you are confused MBA versus MTech, so I would say that take up uh, MBA if you want sustainability just for the sake of good job and lucrative uh, packages, because the nature of sustainability as of now is trendy. That means currently there are lot of posts there is because of the policy at the international level has been changed, so a lot of buzz around the sustainability is there, but with time it may get diluted or it may change. So if you have an MBA, you have the chance to move into different field, and you can easily maneuver into different roles, but because anyway you are from managerial background, the skeleton of the work remains the same, that you have to do the managerial stuff. But in case of MTech, it will be core sustainable thing, and you will have to remain in that field only for lifelong. And as of now, we are not sure how long the sustainability buzz will be around the industry currently, because the policy has been changed at international and national level. That's why so many uh, opportunities are there in sustainability, but we don't know, maybe 10 or 20 years down the lane sustainability will not be there. The aspects of sustainability may have been replaced by some other aspect. So my personal choice would say that I will go for MBA in sustainability, not an MTech in sustainability. But what is your choice? You can let me know comment in down in comment section below, and I'll hope to see you in next videos. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care.